Remember to love yourself. Reward yourself for surviving this far with small treats that excite you. Not only do you definitely deserve them, they will renew your spirit and your zeal. Whether it's a small glass of soda or spending quality time with your loved ones, let those small happy things propel you to success this coming bar exams. Be thankful. Take life in bite sizes. When that small bite-sized piece of your life is over, be thankful and look forward to the next step. Always have a grateful heart. Stay positive. I promise that you will receive positivity in return. Finally, hashtag have faith. Remain prayerful with prayers that do not just ask but devote. God has the greatest design and will for those who are always thankful and faithful. In the last stretch of this long journey, do as you have always done, but with renewed vigor. Hashtag keep aiming for excellence. Believe in yourself. You got this. Do not worry. I shall keep my promise that hashtag a just bar awaits you. Good luck, my babies. To you, the 2025 bar examinees, God bless. You have my love.